Now, to simplify this, we have to first of all reduce them to their basic form. So 27, okay, 27 here is the same as 9 times 3. So 9 is a perfect square, then 3 is a prime number. So once you split this one, the root 3 will be a set, then the root 9 here will be a perfect, that will be 3. Okay, so this side will be 16 times 2. 16 is a perfect square, and 9 to 18, 9 is a perfect square. So this one can be split as square root of 9 times square root of 3 plus, so we have square root of 16 times square root of 3. Sorry, this side is 2, not 3. And we have square root of 9 times square root of 2. Okay, so the perfect squares will give us exact values. So square root of 9 is 3. So that will be 3 times root 3. That will be 3 root 3. And we have 4 times 2 on. So this side will be 9. That will be 3 root 2. Okay. So what we have to do here is to, go further. Okay, we need to probe further as we rationalize this. Okay, so what we are going to do is to multiply both numerator and denominator, okay, by this. So you can pick only the set, or you can pick everything. So you prefer using the set, you can pick this one alone. Okay, so okay, 3 with 3 plus 4 with 2 times with 2, okay, and the down one will be 3 with 2 times with 2. So we have this. So the numerator will be, now this one times this. Remember the coefficient here is 1. So when we have A, B times C with B, now this one will multiply this, and this one also multiply. So the one will multiply the 3, and 2 times 3 is 6 plus. So this one times that, 1 times 4 is 4, and root 2 times root 2 will be root 2 all squared. Okay, so this time that 1 times 3, 3, root 2 times root 2 is root 2 all squared. Okay, so from here we have 3 root 6 plus, so this side will be 2, 4 to 8, and this side will cancel, 3 to 6. So we can write this one. As 3 root 6 on 6 plus 8 with 6. So we have 1, 2, 2 here, 4, 2 here, 3, with 6 on 2 plus 4 on 3. Okay, as simple as that. So that's the answer.